Hey YouTube, I have a little adventure today. We're going to be on the Dodge 3500 motor bus. We're doing some stuff. We're doing a bunch of stuff because, well, Dodge Magnums and belly pin gaskets, but this is going to be a first video. Valve cover gaskets and all the ignition components. I got it scattered here. But what we're going to be doing one on is the crank position sensor. Standard part number. Come on. PC127. Standard part number. It looks like this, and it's easy to get to. So it sits right down here, comes up, it plugs in right there. So what we're going to do first is unplug this little guy. We're going to unplug it by pressing that connector. So we're going to go. We're going to do that. We're going to do that bolt. And it just comes right out. Nasty. Okay. And the new one, I'm going to sit right back down in this hole. I'm here, you know, part of my OCD is making sure it's in good shape. I noticed some valve cover leaks and noticed a slight bit of oil in the bottom of this belly pan. This old 5.9 Magnum. I decided let's just do it all. So these should be set to tighten those back down. They don't need very much torque at all. They are, you know, just holding the sensor on. All there is to it. Loosen that one back up. Oh, shoot. There goes the socket. Alright. Let me put you on a brief pause. Let's get me something to phone that socket. Alright. We got another socket. This time, just got another socket of 3/8. We'll move the van, get that one. One, two. Alright. Now we gotta plug this that in. But push it down. Gotta have both hands. You gotta push in on this and pull them apart. So I'm gonna have to set you down here for a brief moment, okay? Aha! Alright. Now we'll run this up under the plug wires, over everything. It should just go right into place. That'll snap into that. Just like so. But I'm going to leave it unsnapped. I'm going to tell you why. Because I'm getting ready to remove that intake, valve cover gaskets, and whatever else. This one was still good, but I don't know. She's pretty crusty. Valve cover leaks have just coated this poor engine. So, here we go. This is number one. We'll do distributor pickup, cap, rotor, wires, everything. Go from here. Be a whole video. Got a whole bunch of goodies. Anyways, thank you for watching. I appreciate it. Like, subscribe, don't like. Comments, questions. I like it all. And I'll be seeing you with my next video. Thank you.